Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number. Of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with opening the dialer, and let's start with the way to block a number using your contact list. So if you're on the contact list, just find the contact you would like to block and tap on it, and pick this three dot icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got the option block number, so your device, after tapping on it, will ask you if you really want to block it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, it is actually immediately blocked, so it means that as it was set, you won't receive anything actually from this number. Of course you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So and now we can go back, and let me show you another way to block a number. It is, let's say, more general one, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, we just entered the blacklist. So this is the number we just blocked from our contacts, and we can of course add a number, and as you can see here, we can add a number manually. So you do not really have to save the number you want to block on the contacts, just remember it and enter it here. Let's tap on block, and as you can see, it will also immediately appear from the on the blacklist. What's more, we've got the option unknown, which is quite cool, because after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will get rid of all unidentified callers, so it will simply block the numbers which are not saved. So let me turn it off actually. So actually this is how to add a number to a blacklist. You can of course remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on this X button and tap on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi 11T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.